The Umkhonto weSizwe Party leader in KwaZulu-Natal, Canan Mdletshe, has passed away. The party confirmed that Mdletshe was involved in a car accident in the northern parts of the province on Thursday night. Mdletshe joined the Umkhonto weSizwe Party in August in 2024 after leaving the National Freedom Party following its decision to govern with the African National Congress and the Democratic Alliance and the Provincial Government of Unity. The party released a statement via their social media platforms, and the statement reads as follows: Statement on the untimely passing of Commander Canan Mdletshe. The Umkhonto weSizwe Party is deeply saddened by the tragic death of Commander Canan Mdletshe, who passed away in a tragic car accident while traveling from the by-elections in Tuba. Commander Canan was a member of the KwaZulu-Natal Provincial Detachment under the leadership of Commander Willis Mchunu. Prior to Commander Mdletshe joining the Umkhonto weSizwe Party, he played a pivotal role in the National Freedom Party as its Secretary General. He then resigned from the NFP to gallantly pick up the spear of Umkhonto weSizwe Party and continued the revolution of emancipating of our people against imperialism and neocolonialism. Whilst we cannot fathom the extent of the excruciating anguish of grief from this tragedy, the leadership of Umkhonto weSizwe Party wishes to convey its deepest and most heartfelt condolences to the family Commander Mdletshe. We would like to reassure the family that Umkhonto weSizwe Party is committed in supporting them in this trying time. Umkhonto weGwala ufela ejele. However, Commander Mdletshe was no coward. He picked up his spear and fought the downtrodden and marginalized of our people. Umkhonto weSizwe Party salutes his bravery and may his soul rest in eternal peace. May his soul rest in peace. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.